Morning children, today we are going to start with the new chapter, living and non-living things. You see many things around you like book, pencil, plants, your sister, so many things are there. These things are of two types, living things and non-living things. Living things are those things which have life in them. They are also divided into two types of groups, plants and animals. Now we come to the features of living things. Living things have life in them. All living things have life in them. They need food, water, air for living. Number one is all living things breathe. They breathe through their nose. Animals, human beings, they all breathe through their nose. Breathing is very essential for them. Even animals breathe through their nose. Fish breathe through their gills and insects have holes on their body to breathe. But do you know that plants also breathe? Yes, plants breathe through the small holes present on their leaves called stomata. The second important feature of living things is that they move. All of you move on your legs. Similarly, animals also move on their legs. We move from one place to another. But plants also move, but they are fixed. But their roots, stem, leaves, they show some movement. Like sunflower, it moves towards the sun. Then there is one plant called touch me not. If you touch it, it will close its leaves. So all living things move from one place to another. The most important feature of living thing is that they all need food. All of you eat food. So all living things eat food to get energy from the food to do different types of work. Then we come to the plants. Plants also need food. Plants prepare their food with the help of the process called photosynthesis. They require air, water and sunlight to prepare their food in the presence of green color pigment called chlorophyll in the leaves. Other feature of living things is that they grow. First, all of you were small babies, then you grow year by year, then you become young and then you become old. Similarly, animals also show growth. First, there is egg, then the chick comes out from the egg, then the chick becomes the hen. Plants also grow from seed to small plant, then to the big tree. Then living things feel. All of you feel happiness, pain. Similarly, plants also feel. So we should be kind and caring to the plants also. Then last feature is that all living things reproduce. It means all living things produce babies of their own kind. Like cat produce kittens, dogs produce babies. So all living things produce young ones of their own kind. Now we come to the non-living things. Non-living things do not have any life in them. They do not move, they do not grow, they do not eat food. Like pencil, book, chair, it will not move unless and until you move it. So we can say living things have life in them and non-living things do not have life in them. Thank you.